night number 2 of the 9th annual POWRi Illinois Speed Week. 22 total competitors checking into the pits with the POWRi National Midget League, looking at a trio of 8 laps. McIntosh gonna gain a white flag in the air. Carter Sharp up on the high side. Problems for the Shark as he's gonna come down the front straightaway. Underpowered the 21 of Carter Sharp. Meanwhile, we're still racing through turns number 3 and 4. Slide job, crossed it back over. It's Wiedemann at the line. Give him a big round of applause. Feature winner for the first time of 2022. 4th time of his career, Wiedemann. Standing